Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be looking at the strength of the market because it's important to identify which currency is strong or which one is weak so that you can manage your risk. So we are going to be looking at the strength of the market using the moving averages and the MACD. It's very important to know that if ever it happens that you don't understand some of the stuff, that means that you have missed some of my videos. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and you can comment if you are requesting any video you want me to talk about any topic. You can write it on a comment so that I can make those videos. So now let us talk about the strength, looking at the MACD and the moving average. What you have to do, you have to get you have to at least have two moving averages, not more, and the MACD. In this case, I'm using the standard settings 12, 26, 9. So if the MACD signal line, which is the red line here, is below the bars, many investors or many traders, or what it means that the market is going down, right? But what if your moving average is the actual market is above the moving average? It means that the buyers are there are buyers if the market is trending above your moving averages, or if the moving averages are saying that it's a buy signal, which means in this case the red line is above the blue, so which means it's a buy signal for me. So what if this happens? Number one, moving average, they're giving me a buy signal. MACD is giving me a sell signal. This means that the market is diverging, number one. So that's how you identify divergence, and it means that it is not the market is not trending. It means that it's fluctuation because they there are no traders. So we'll see how to identify a trend. It means that the market is fluctuating. It is in a fluctuating position state. So in this case, guys, we have a buy using the we have the moving averages are buying, and then the MACD it's in the selling position. So unless the MACD follows our moving average, the market is going to be fluctuating, or there will be no traders at all. Just it's going to be in a consolidation form. So that's what happened here. That's why the market was not trending. um, Looking at here the market is trending up, and then the MACD is also up. The bars are also up above the signal. This means that there is a trend, right? It means there's a trend. Also, the market is below the lines here. The market is below the lines, and the MACD is below. The MACD bars are below the signal line, which means the market is trending, right? Let us check another example. Also here the MACD is the bars are above the signal, which is it means that it's a buy, and then the market is also above. Then the market was going up, right? The market was going up. You can check this thing on your chart. This helps you to know if the market is in a downtrend or whatsoever. So also here on this day the MACD is signal. The MACD signal, the bars are below the MACD signal, which means it's a sell, and then the actual market is below our lines, which means it's a sell also. So this was a sell signal. It means that the USD is strong. It's trending, right? What you have to do here is just to identify if the market is trending or it is not trending down or trending up or fluctuating. So in this case, as long as, guys, the moving averages, the MACD follows our moving averages, it means that there's a trend. If they happen to if it happens that like in this day the signal line is above the bars, which is a sell signal, but the market is above the moving averages, which means they are buyers based on the moving average. Based on the MACD, they are sellers. So this will cause the market be in a consolidating form or in the fluctuating form, which means there is no participation there is no trend, right? So it is important to identify the trend. Let us look at here at this position. Now we are going to look at this thing in detail. At this position from year to year, I just want to talk about that position, because remember, the market, guys, does not stay in one position. It changes during the course of the day. Between these lines, guys, our moving averages, the market is below the moving average, which is a sell signal. As I've told you, the market is below the moving average. It means it's a sell signal, right? As I've told you. But what about our MACD? Our signal line, uh, our bars are above the signal line, which is a buy signal. So this creates, it means that based on the moving average, there are sellers. Based on the MACD, there are buyers. What does it mean? That means it's a fluctuation. So you have to wait for the market to correct itself, and then after you can start trading. But if you know support resistance, you can trade even this thing, because if you know support resistance, it does not care whether the market, the support resistance, like they don't matter if even if you find that it's a fluctuating market, because the market fluctuates around the moving around support resistances. So in this case, guys, you have to wait. If you are using this tool, you have to wait for the market to do what, to to correct itself, and then after this line, guys, you see the market was below, the MACD was below. I mean, the MACD bars were below the signal line, which means it's a sell signal. I think I have to make another video talking about this thing, the MACD only, using, because I now I think like I'm confusing you. But I think this is what is happening, guys. You can identify trend and fluctuation using the MACD and your moving averages. Until next time, if you want me to explain more, guys, about this video, because now it's starting to get confusing. If you want me to explain more, please make sure write a comment and subscribe to this channel, guys, because I will be teaching you more stuff as we go on. Until next time.